Here are the color bars, the veins, and then here's the stone around it. So you can see how thin those veins are sometimes. And that's how we cut doublets. We would slice that little piece off there and leave the stone behind it. And that's how you would have, or glue it onto a stone behind it. That's how you would have a doublet. If you slice the color bar and leave the stone behind it, you have a solid opal. I love this piece. So interesting, such an interesting shape. That was number 5. Number 6 is an Ethiopian white opal in white gold with diamonds. Now remember, all of these pendants come with a chain to match. So this one comes with a white gold chain, and the other ones come with either a 14-karat yellow gold chain or a silver chain, depending on what the pendant is made out of. This is a beautiful top gem grade Ethiopian white opal, and look at the colors in it. Sometimes, even if I take the light away more, you can see brighter colors. Again, B1 brightness. You can't get brighter than this. And look at them in the light. See how Ethiopian opal is more translucent than Australian opal. A very different beastie, Ethiopian opal than Australian opal. Again, white gold with diamonds. That's number 6. Now number 7. I absolutely love these faceted Ethiopian opals. You can't facet white Australian opal, but you can facet this pristine, clear-bodied Ethiopian white opal. And look at how special these faceted opals are. I'm in love with them and started making some rings with them in it lately. And let me see if we change the light on this. Yeah, you can really get, look at the brightness, the B1 brightness of color in these Ethiopian opals. This one is 12 by 10 millimeters, a very large opal. Actually, it might be 14 by 12. Take a look at the listing details. I'll measure it and tell you exactly what size it is, and it'll be next to the description in the listing. Just a beautiful, big 4.5 carat opal this one is. That was number 7. Number 8 is a semi-black Ethiopian opal in silver. Now they come either white to black, and the semi-black are really interesting. This is one of the semi-blacks. This is natural. You can get dyed Ethiopian opals. That's not what I sell. I sell natural colored Ethiopian opals, and the color will never fade because it is natural. Sometimes if you buy those cheap dyed opals on eBay, you will lose their color because they are simply dyed and it washes out after a while. A large 16 by 12 millimeter Ethiopian semi-black opal, very unique. Beautiful orange colors and a little green. That was number 8. Number 9 is the ammolite I was telling you about. This is in 14 karat yellow gold. It's so big I need to back it away from the camera. Now ammolite is a shell. It's a 70 million year old shell only found in Canada, and it has reds to greens to yellows. This is a very, very rare piece with these kind of colors in this huge circular size. It is 18 millimeters round, set in 14 karat solid gold, and it will come with a 14 karat solid gold chain in a beautiful gift box as all of my things come in. A black velvet gift box. And I'm just in love with ammolite. I'm making more and more things out of ammolite, but this piece is really the most beautiful one I've ever seen. This large round piece. I just love it. It's like the African sunset as the sun's going down, changes its colors. Just an incredible piece. That's number 9. And number 10 is a white Australian opal. And this is a rough white opal. Let me get it in focus a little bit more. It is polished, but it is semi-polished, let me say that. It is a white Australian, and you can see that it is in the rough shape. We did not cut it into an oval. And it is simply a polished white Australian opal in its natural rough shape. And it has some beautiful greens in it. Very reasonably priced pendant in silver. Comes on a silver chain. Beautiful pastels. So thanks for looking at my 10 interesting pendants in this parcel. And to check out with them, just look at the drop-down menu, and you can pick your opal pendant by the number, and you will also see the price there next to the opal number, where it says opal number or pendant number underneath the title of the listing. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you have any questions and leave me your phone number. If you want me to call you back, I'm always happy to do so. Thanks for watching.